$20 every month. That's how much ChatGPT Plus costs right now. But here's the question. Do you really need to pay for GPT Plus? In this video, I'm going to show you a way to use GPT Plus and even Claude, another super advanced AI model, completely for free. All you need is a website called po.com. I'll take you step by step, how to sign up, how to use these models, what they can do for you, and what limitations you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll have a powerful tool that doesn't cost you a single cent. Let's get started. So what is Po? Po is a platform created by Quora. Yes, the same Quora that's been around for years as a question and answer website. They decided to create a hub where you can use different AI models in one single interface. Think of it as a menu of AI models. You can try GPT-4, Claude 3, GPT 3.5, image generation bots, and even some specialized bots that summarize, translate, or brainstorm. And the best part? Everything runs directly in your browser. You don't need to install any program or app. Signing up is super easy. Go to po.com, and at the top right corner, click on Sign Up. You can sign in with Google, Apple, or just your email. If you use email, you'll get a confirmation link. In less than a minute, you'll be inside Po, and you can start using these AI models immediately. Let's start with GPT-4. Click on it, and let's give it a real-world question. I'll type, plan a 3-day trip to Japan. Include hidden spots and local food recommendations. Let's hit enter and wait a few seconds. Look at this. It's giving me a full itinerary for Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. It lists places that tourists usually don't visit, and even names the specific dishes to try in each city. This is the kind of detailed, human-like response that makes GPT-4 so much better than GPT 3.5. Let's try another example. But Po doesn't stop with just these two. You also get GPT 3.5, which is fast and unlimited. Special bots that can summarize a long article or translate text. Even image generation bots that can create visuals from a prompt. This makes Po a single platform where you can do brainstorming, writing, translating, coding, and even visual content creation. Po.com is one of the easiest and safest ways to experience GPT-4 and Claude without paying a dime. Whether you need help with travel plans, writing, research, or creative projects, Po gives you a taste of these advanced models for free. Select GPT-4 from the left-hand menu. You can try it in any language. For example, I ask it the same question in Persian and it answers me very clearly. Now, here's what you need to know. The free plan comes with limitations. You can only use GPT-4 and Claude a limited number of times per day, usually 1 or 2 queries. After that, you'll see a message saying you've hit your daily limit. If you want unlimited access, you'll need their paid subscription. But for occasional use, and especially for testing and learning, this free access is fantastic. Try it out today and let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. We explore AI tools every week, and the next video might just change the way you work forever.